My friends, I don't think you can hear this, but this is what a swarm is. Let me get over here. It is so loud, and the scouts have got it. It might be my bees that swarmed, but look at this. That is, you can't see it, but you can probably, look at that. That is a swarm. This whole place is covered in bees. And they're going home. They have found their home. That's not big enough for them though. It is not big enough for them bees. What am I gonna do? That box, how am I gonna get that box down? If they all go in there, how am I gonna get that? What a beautiful sight. Watch it be my bees. Oh man, love it. I love it. Holy moly. This is so awesome. Yep, my wife just came home. She's excited too. This makes me excited. I'm so excited. This gives me something to live for. It's so beautiful. There's just so many bees that thousands upon thousands of bees, and they're making that their home. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these bees, to tell you the truth. I don't think they can fit in that box. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this. They'll try though. Awesome. This just happened. I just looked at them a while ago. Something told me to come here and look at them. And it's pretty awesome because God's been giving me a lot more preaching opportunities. And all I did was just say yes. I'm not a preacher. I'm not ordained. I'm just a minister. I minister the gospel. I give out gospel tracts. I try to pray for people. Terrible man, terrible man. I'm a wretched man, forgiven by the blood of Jesus Christ. And all I've done is said yes. I don't even know what I'm going to say. I'm just going to say yes. So y'all pray for me. April the 12th, I'll be preaching at Sugar Valley Baptist Church at night, 6 o'clock. I have no idea what I'm going to talk about. Might talk about the goodness of God. That's an easy subject. He's just so good. Look at him. He done this.